Let's take a look at the Tramontina pan. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in a second, but first let's cover some basics. So this is a professional grade frying pan. You can see it is aluminum, which means really good heat conductance, and then it's got this aluminum handle and a silicone cover on the end. So it's nice and easy to grip, but you can still put it in the oven, which is great, and it has that non-stick coating, 3 rivets connecting it together, so it's super solid. Again, it's the kind of thing you might find in a restaurant. Very, very happy, again, with how it conducts heat. So I'll just show you, I'll melt some butter in here to get us started, and I'm gonna go ahead and crack some eggs into the pan here to fry these up. And with that non-stick coating, I can actually just jiggle the handle and move these eggs around in the pan. They're not gonna get stuck on there or anything. And flip them over when I'm done to clean this out. And again, this is my favorite part here. Look at how easy, I just wipe it down. I literally didn't put any water, just wipe that out, and it is pretty much clean. So that non-stick just works extremely well. Now it is dishwasher safe, so I could throw this whole thing in the dishwasher to get it perfectly clean, but pretty good how well that works. I've been using it for about 6 months, and that's holding up extremely well on the non-stick.